Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to solve this fill in the blanks. So what number is added with 61.4 to give 167.56? So let's say if this number is x, so we can find out this number by subtracting these two numbers. So basically here we have to subtract 61.4 from 167.56. So let's do the subtraction or decimal subtraction, we can say. So during decimal subtraction, what we do is, first of all we write these two decimal number in such a way that this decimal point should come in the similar line. Now we have to subtract this. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 minus 6 gives 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So we can say 106.16 is our answer. Now let's check the option. 106.16 is option D. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option D.